Welcome to the home and production facility of Reflex Nutrition Limited. This will provide you with an insight into what is arguably the most advanced operational facility of any sports nutrition brand in the UK. More importantly, we want you to understand how this technologically advanced approach leads to a range of products that boasts unbeaten quality. It's a simple thought, but it comes from a very clear focus on formulating products that deliver exactly what they say they do on the label, and is something that we have been doing since 1996.
The difference between Reflex Nutrition and our competitors back in '96 was very straightforward. I was interested in producing world-class formulations, whilst I firmly believed back then, and perhaps still today, that a lot of our competitors were more interested in marketing and advertising. The Reflex Science Park allows us to manufacture a very wide and super high quality range of sports nutrition products that ordinarily we would simply not have been able to manufacture.
The Reflex range currently covers 5 main categories. That's high protein, muscle and strength, weight management, energy, endurance and vitality. What we have found is by having a number of key categories means that we can provide products for the specific needs of a number of ranges of athletes, from high level athletes all the way through to the average gym goer and anywhere in between. Now, where Reflex products really differ from much of our competition is the difference between the health and performance angle. All of the products within the Reflex range are balanced to provide not only performance benefits, but an array of health benefits too.
The process starts with the study of credible research to indicate ingredient efficacy and required dosages. Next comes the selection and purchase of the very finest ingredients from around the globe. Many of these ingredients are trademarked or have patents relating to them and are often significantly different from others available. We have complete freedom to work with any supplier, the choice of which is made by the new product development team, whose primary focus is combining performance and health benefits. This approach has meant that Reflex has become synonymous with both quality and innovation, being the first brand to deliver many exciting and new ingredients to the market. But this only means something if quality is present in every single stage of the process.
Beyond the initial formulation of the product, quality starts with the selection of raw materials. All the suppliers that we work with have been accredited to international standards of quality, and all the ingredients that we receive are accompanied with certificates of analysis or certificates of conformity, which is the supplier's declaration as to the potency of the ingredient.
Having checked the quality of the inbound raw ingredients, the next stage is to prepare and measure them for the production process. In the case of certain ingredients used in products, such as a multivitamin, a system is employed that requires 2 specific signatures confirming the weight and measurement of ingredients. And this system requires measurement to 3 decimal places. The main production facility houses powder production. The process in this area starts with a production order, which is generated by the accounting system, and the appropriate raw ingredients are then selected. Some of these come from the small ingredient team, and some are picked directly from the warehouse. From here, the blending process begins. The blending technology used is the most sophisticated available for these types of products, and incorporates both large paddle blenders for the protein products as well as smaller refining blenders for the mixing of smaller ingredients. After blending comes dispensing. Different powders have different densities, but everything is automatically dispensed in accordance with specific levels, and each part is automatically check-weighed. Any product not meeting label claim is automatically rejected. From this point, the tub passes through a metal detection unit, and it then gets security sealed. The final part of the process is the application of manufacturing date, best before date, and batch number information. This is applied right at the end of the production line and is controlled again by the accounting system for complete traceability. The Vitality products cover a range formulated for highly active individuals and include joint support, antioxidants, multivitamins, as well as specific health products. The range incorporates products that can only be run on semi-automatic machines, whilst others can be run on either the automated machine or, for more specialized products, the blister pack line. This machinery represents the very latest and most advanced available and would ordinarily be found in pharmaceutical companies. The automatic machine is a perfect example of the quality standards achieved through rigorous controls, where each capsule is check-weighed and any single capsule that is defective is automatically discarded. The facility at the Science Park contains a state-of-the-art pasteurizing plant, which is used for production of the ready-to-drink sports products. It incorporates a flash pasteurizer, which is essential in providing the highest quality under-natured protein products. Whilst the proteins used are heat-stable, the process still requires careful monitoring and documentation. The production process here starts with the mixing of the raw ingredients, after which the material is pasteurized and then dispensed into the bottles. The boiler that provides the required heat is powered by electricity, which all comes from renewable sources, so environmental responsibility is also an integral part of the operation. The final stages in the process are the capping and sleeving. Once again, from the consumer's perspective, there can be complete confidence in what is declared on the sleeve or label in terms of nutritional profile. This is only made possible through a rigorous in-house testing procedure.
One of the things that sets us apart is our in-house testing of all of our protein products. We use our nitrogen analyzer to perform all the tests, and we publish these tests on our website for consumers and retailers alike to see. This transparency of quality is one of the things that sets us apart, and we believe one of the unique selling points that takes Reflex above and beyond our competitors. The first stage of analysis is to calibrate the machine. It's calibrated against a known source of nitrogen, so that you know that the readings that the machine is taking at the start are absolutely accurate. We then take a known weight of sample and put it into the loading head. The machine is purged of any atmosphere, and the sample is dropped into the furnace where it is combusted for about 120 seconds. The results of that combustion are fed through the machine. Water and carbon dioxide are removed from the gases, and then it is analysed for nitrogen content, and depending on the sample that's been analysed, the nitrogen content is multiplied to give you your protein content. To validate our in-house tests further, we take random samples and send those off to third-party government-approved laboratories. Throughout the history of this third-party validation, we've never had a result which has deviated from ours more than 0.5%. So we're very confident that our in-house testing is equal to that of the government-approved testing labs.
Our new site features a wind turbine which generates 10 kilowatts of electricity and sends excess power back to the national grid. The new building, dubbed R1, features sun pipes which pipe natural light into the building, which reduces our requirement for electrical lighting. We also have natural ventilation in the form of wind catcher technology, which reduces the need for conventional air conditioning systems. We buy all of our electricity from a deep green renewable source, Ecotricity, and future plans are that we increase our contribution to the environment through the use of solar panel technology. General waste goes zero to landfill, and we recycle all of our card, paper and plastic.
You have seen exactly how we manufacture supplements, the effort that our committed team go to ensuring that all of the quality control procedures are rigorously enforced. With that in mind, we're confident, very confident, that we are able to produce consistently a range of world-class sports nutrition products.